Now, we will introduce the main functions of the TFN F7 series optical time domain reflector matter. First, press and hold the red power button for 2 seconds to turn on the power. Wait for the system to load and enter the main interface. The main interface displays the major functional modules of F7. There are 8 major functions in total. They are OTDR function. This function is the core function of F7, including measurement configuration, advanced settings, automatic test, average test, real-time test, multi-module test, test results, curve operation, and so on. The OTDR function will be introduced in detail later. Event map, optical eye function. This function can graphically display the detailed information of the optical fiber link, making the test more efficient and the interpretation more intuitive. Laser source function. The light source can be turned on or off, and the related functions of the light source can be set. This function can generate CW, 270 Hz, 1000 Hz, and 2000 Hz laser light sources. Optical power meter function. The optical power meter can be turned on or off, and the related functions of the optical power meter can be set. This function supports multi-wavelength power detection. Visual fault locator function. The red light can be turned on or off, and the continuous 1 Hz and 2 Hz visible red light can be set to visually locate the optical fiber fault. Optical loss test function. This function supports the simultaneous opening of the light source and the optical power meter to test the loss value of the device or optical link. End phase detection function. This function can realize visual fiber end phase diagnosis. This function needs to be selected when purchasing. Ethernet test function. The network test module includes PIN, PPPoE, and IP scanning functions. The link set module includes link speed measurement, line sequence, and line length. In addition, the file management function can view, delete, rename, copy, and other operations on saved files. The remote test function can remotely connect the instrument via Ethernet to achieve remote control of the OTDR function. In the help interface, the F7 Quick Use Guide will be displayed. Press the up and down keys to turn pages. The zoom key can freely zoom the interface and select to view freely. In the setting interface, system settings can be made, such as backlight, brightness, date and time, salt settings, and so on. The main functions of the TFN F7 series optical time domain reflector matter are introduced. The major functions will be introduced in detail later. Thank you for choosing TFN.